Well, try also. This side. Come on, girl, this side. Let's go.
Get it, Hedda.
Ow. Yo le traigo, ¿ves?
Okay.
Did you get your gum?
I got two different ones. Anyone want gum?
Think I'm a rookie?
Whatever.
No. Does this go back at all?
Nope.
On the side, yes.
No, when you have people in the back.
Where?
On the side.
No.
Yep.
No.
I forgot sunglasses.
Where?
Oh, no.
Do you have a... is that camera from 99?
Yeah.
Just like his MP3 player.
Where is it?
Retro.
So because I was lazy.
Bro,
And
for real. Where is it?
It's not there. Let it go.
the brain damage guy
No.
found it in 2 seconds.
Okay.
Oh my god, Mike.
Yeah.
I thought they were joking.
No.
Where are we going? That's a really poor explanation.
Going to Monkeyland to see my family. Alright, so this is it. I didn't charge my... I regret three things. I didn't eat again, so I'm starting to get hungry. I didn't charge my... where's my Red Bull?
Fuck, I forgot. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. I didn't charge my camera and...
My help.
Yes.
Why you want?
Almost looks so real.
Does anyone want peanuts?
9
Kind
times.
of peanuts.
That house has cool like...
No, thank you.
So cute.
You guys smell a little bit.
Oh man. There was the one that wrecked. It's just a trip, people filming each other.
Yep.
Filmception. Monkey King? What's up, bro? Some nice wings you got there.
Nej. Jag är så dålig på sådana kameror.
What's up?
Be amazing again.
Fly. Oh, is that a falcon?
Yes. Oh, he's so mad.
That's a jackal buzzard.
What does that thing on his nose look like?
It's a marble sport. He felt the Scandinavian person.
Bro. Mark India so weird.
Did anybody bring sunscreen?
Nope, because I'm black and I don't black.
Where are the real monkeys though?
Up, up.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Come here, bro. Well, those two are battling.
To the death?
Maybe. Generally, that's the big decision.
I want one of these. From the record.
They're battling. Whoa.
What's up, bro?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, he's wicked fast.
So glad I got that on camera. Okay, how do you call monkeys?
Alan.
Alan!
Alan. Alan.
What's up, bro?
Ellen, come on, bro. Let's go,
up?
Ellen.
Come on, bro. What's up? My bro. I'm gonna tell you something, bro.
Monkey?
Hey, Capuchin.
Kucha.
He's got a banana?
Yeah, it's like a frozen banana.
What's up, homeboy?
Have you dropped your food?
He didn't even jump down like a badass. He's like walking all the way.
If you talk to him nicely, don't look at him, and then start maybe where you are safe because it can be so far. And once you start, then she will, but make sure that nobody else is doing it, visitors. Okay. Because she needs, what the monkeys need is company to clean each other. This is so important for them, for their comfort.
Where he was
Just talk to him.
well, I was just scratching him and he was perfectly calm before you were.
Oh yeah, well, you see, I'm a BFF. Yes, of course. Can't blame the monkey.
Naughty.
Are you mad, bro?
Naughty.
No, don't be mad. Yes, take it. Yes, get it. Get it.
Look at this tiny little mess.
What's up? Here you go, buddy.
That would be big shot. Fucking sick.
What you got there? What you got there?
Shut up! Amy! How did you get in there? Amy!
Oh, he just bit his tail.
Let me see that bag. No, they're going to peel off here.
Okay.
They're going to peel off the side. Do you want to leave it in here somewhere?
Yeah, I'll just leave it there.
Okay.
What's up, guys?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, thank you. Taking a picture.
Amy, how do you feel about the
I'm
monkeys?
literally in heaven. I'm so excited.
Once they get on you, you'll be fine.
I like big animals. Big animals are fine.
They were like pulling up my hair.
Are you trying to scissor me again?
Oh, do you know what happened? I was doing this like this and he was climbing up the stick. Like, into the camera.
What's up, buddy?
Look.
Oh, Marissa would be so jealous right now.
I'm so sad.
Guys,
Rob, that's
don't
crazy.
touch them. You could get bitten.
Can you teach me, woman? Beautiful woman.
You want some seeds, basically.
Yeah, if she puts seeds on you, then they come up.
And they're like super down.
Over there.
Only on my hand.
Hold the
So
selfie.
if it
Hold the selfie stick.
what are you doing?
Just like to you, though. Rob?
Nope. What have you got in your pocket? He's trying to rob you.
Oh, he's trying to pick it up.
They stole
Do
the
it, let him
tape
do it,
off
let
my
him do it,
knee.
let him do it.
A little monkey came and
Oh
ripped
my
the tape
gosh,
off
he's
my knee.
actually took.
He's fucking smart.
Is he strong enough though? Oh, you're
Oh,
strong
gone for your
enough.
glasses.
What is this?
Sup, bro?
Guys, do you see why I was so excited for 2 months wanting to come here? Thank you, you're welcome. Martin, vill du sitta så kommer det på dig.
He's literally still going for it. He's done it.
Has he done it?
Almost.
He's got the Velcro almost all the way off.
He's giving up.
Off you fuck.
Next turn off.
Oh, that's it.
Do you have any seeds?
Do you have any more seeds?
Oh, Mike's here.
It's the best day ever. From Seapoint?
How did you get here?
In the Uber?
In Uber.
How did you get here?
I flew.
Oh.
Who did you come with?
Rob, Shook, Hedda, Martin. Your firstborn. What's up?
Pretty cool.
These guys are so cool.
Monkeys, come and sit with me.
He likes my pocket. Yeah, they always been bugging. Oh!
You eat that bag. You eat that bag.
I told you.
That's it.
Oh, it's trying to rip off the thing.
Yeah,
The
sticker.
sticker.
It's okay. You get it.
Oh my god, it ripped off my
Finally in
piercing.
Africa.
Your belly button.
Thieves.
What is it? Did you get a picture of this?
You got caught on camera. You stole your sticker.
Oh, that's
He's
my
got it.
sticker. Oh, you got it. No, hold on. You're not gonna get that back.
I still can't remember when I should get paid for Really? Yeah, like it stole it off my name. We got half it off, and I ran away. Oh my god, he's having such a good time, but that's different.
He's laughing hard.
Yo, that's my sticker, bro. The aquarium was actually so sick, guys.
Yeah.
Oh no, your stick!
Oh, if anybody wants to, we're gonna do the pirate ship cruise at 6:30.
I need a monkey on my head for a photo, please. You, come here.
Come here, buddy.
Jordan, I like this better than the owls.
Me and Nan just came straight here.
Oh,
Oh, he's such a little monkey. Gonna go get a stick.
just put your Oh.
No, they all had from you in front. No needed here. It's the coolest place here, the air coming through.
It's a baby.
But Nanette, they're all fine here. All fine here.
Look, follow me. Look, ready? I'm gonna do that. And do you want to go? Yeah. What are you doing? I'm gonna ask her to chuckle the seeds over me and then they just jump on.
Now, Bernie's got a cup of here.
Okay, ready? Wait, not yet.
You want to sit down?
Sorry, get ready.
Wait, can I come
Wait,
on
one
with
sec.
you? Can I sit
Not
in your
yet.
house?
On your head, on your shoulders?
Everywhere, yeah, on my head.
I haven't got that many, but
What's going on over here? Hey, little fella. That was so cool. He's proper in your head right now. I'm searching for seeds.
On my head.
What are you doing? Oh my god, that was definitely my hair.
Hair extension.
Alright, yep, that's definitely. Oh, my nipple! So